Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Tinder Super Like. It's really simple and easy. So how you can use it and what does it do? Basically, you get a super like once a day, and I think you can get more if you pay for this app. If you want to pay this app, go ahead. So it's kind of lame if you pay for it. Anyways, you press the super like and it gets you basically the first page or first picture. As you can see, you can get 15 super likes for this price, 3 super likes for this price, 30 super likes. So there are different ways to get it. If you tap on this select here, you have to pay it, you have to add your credit card, and it basically see that you super like them. And then if you give any person super like, they basically can see that you super like them, and that's a fantastic way to start a chat. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.